Want to watch Disney Plus on your Rogers Xfinity setup? It's easy. Disney Plus is fully integrated with Rogers Xfinity, allowing access through Ignite TV boxes, smart TVs, and streaming devices like Roku and Apple TV. Disney Plus is fully integrated with Rogers Xfinity, allowing access through Ignite TV boxes, smart TVs, and streaming devices like Roku and Apple TV. Access Disney Plus through various devices including Ignite TV boxes, smart TVs, and streaming devices like Roku and Apple TV. To get started, ensure your Rogers Xfinity account is active. If you're bundling Disney Plus with your Rogers package, you'll link your Disney Plus account to your Rogers credentials for easy access. Bundling Disney Plus with your Rogers package can save you money, around $10 a month. Occasional buffering can occur during peak hours, but Rogers resolves most issues quickly. Make sure your HDMI cable is 2.0 or higher for 4K HDR. Overall, it's a user-friendly way to enjoy Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content. First, ensure you're using a compatible device. Disney Plus works on smart TVs, streaming devices, mobile phones, tablets, and Rogers Ignite TV boxes. On your device, go to the App Store, such as Google Play or App Store. Search for Disney Plus and download the free app, which is about 500 megabytes in size. Open the Disney Plus app and select Sign In. If you have a bundled Rogers subscription, choose Sign In with TV provider and select Rogers. Enter your Rogers username and password or your Disney Plus credentials if standalone. Verify via email or SMS for security. Once signed in, enjoy streaming on up to 4 devices simultaneously, with personalized profiles and parental controls. For the best experience, ensure a stable internet connection of at least 25 megabits for 4K streaming.